with another YouTube video. So we'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, you will need the pomade. I have Eye Envy from my local beauty supply store. And you will need the brush. Next, you will need your concealer. I use Maybelline from my local Walmart. Okay, and you will also need a blending brush. So let's start off with, we're gonna brush out my eyebrows. So after brushing out my eyebrows, we will dip it in the pomade. You don't need that much. You don't need a little, depending on how dark you want your eyebrows. So now we're gonna outline the bottom. You outline it to where you like it, and you fill in your eyebrows. So next you're gonna do the same to the top. And you fill it in how much darker you would like it. And you go to the top. You don't really fill it in darker up there. I just usually like to brush it softly. And next you will just brush out your eyebrows to blend it to where you're comfortable with it. So after that, I use my concealer and my blending brush right there. And I just put a little on the brush to where I like it. So now I start from the back and I outline underneath my eyebrow. And you gotta be very careful. So now I'm blending it in after outlining it. You blend it in to where you can't see it anymore, to where it blends in with your skin. So yeah, I'm just blending it to where it gives it a nice, precise look. So after blending it, you will do the same to the top. You will outline the top as you did in the bottom before. And get as close as you can to your eyebrow. Okay, after doing that, you just will blend it in to get a nice look. And now you're just gonna blend it towards the back and then in the front next. And you just do it until your skin is just blended in with the makeup. And I'll just take my brush and I'll brush it out to give it a nice look. To give it a little natural look. Okay, and that's the end result. And I'm just brushing in like lightly to fill it in. Okay. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna do the same thing on the other eyebrow. The same process. Okay, so now we're gonna be applying my eyelashes. I usually wear strips. I get them from my local hair store. And when applying my eyelashes, I use hair glue from the local hair store also. So I usually use the end of my brush to put the glue on the strip of my lashes. And I only just apply a little of it. So after I apply a little of the glue on my eyelashes, I sit them on top of my eye and I just put them in where they fit. I normally use my hands. Most people use tweezers. And for the other side, we're going to do the same process. Okay, here's my finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.